Apparently I need to clean up my gutters. It's not that bad though. I'm up here today because when I was building this roof, I put my shingles with no overlap over the drip edge. What happens is water comes off the shingles from the snow, hits the drip edge, comes down the drip edge, and because the drip edge is in contact with the fascia here, slides down the fascia and a lot of time actually gets in behind the gutters and ends up as ice piles on my sidewalk. So my fix for that is just to come out and lift up the drip edge a little bit so that it's not in contact with the fascia anymore, and then it won't be dripping down the fascia. It'll actually be dripping down into the gutters. And I've already done most of the way down. You can see it's dripping into the gutters now instead of in behind the gutters. So this will hopefully permanently solve this problem. Once I'm done this, I can chip the ice off the sidewalk and I'll have an easier to shovel and easier to walk on path. We'll deal with cleaning this stuff later. Man, I love this ladder. There we go. Should have no more drippy on the sidewalk.